Ar trebui să se vadă slide-urile mele sau încă nu?
Se văd slide-urile, mulțumim.
Perfect, mulțumesc frumos pentru confirmare. Încerc să le fac un pic mai mari, nu-mi dau seama exact cum se vede, dar sper că e în regulă. Dacă e în regulă pentru toată lumea, o să prezint în limba engleză. Mulțumim tare mult pentru mesajul de bun venit călduros. So, my name is Stefania Stefanache, and I'm a psychologist and psychotherapist, and I'm a PhD student at the Interdisciplinary School of Doctoral Studies at the University of Bucharest. My PhD thesis is about the uncanny valley effect, and today I'll talk about my recent paper, namely exploring the impact of technology-related anxiety on the relationship between video gaming and watching films featuring humanoid robots. So, uncanny valley is about the interaction with humanoid robots or humanoid embodied conversational agents, and I like this topic about robots because technology is more and more integrated in our lives, especially the artificial intelligence, and in the interaction with technology, we can face technology anxiety, which is defined as a heightened worry or discomfort at the thought of using technology. Currently, there exists a notable gap in understanding which characteristics of individuals are predictive of this anxiety toward technology, and this study represents a step forward in determining these factors. And the objectives of the present studies are twofold. Namely to test the mediating role of technology-related anxiety in the relationship between video gaming and frequency of watching films featuring humanoid robots, and also to explore the moderating effect of age on this mediated relationship. And this is a conceptual diagram of the models implied in the present study, and we have the following hypothesis, that a higher frequency of video gaming will predict a higher frequency of watching films with humanoid robots, and that technology-related anxiety will mediate this relationship. And the relationship between video gaming frequency and watching films with humanoid robots will be moderated by age, indicating that this relationship may vary across different age groups. Similarly, the impact of technology-related anxiety on the frequency of watching films with humanoid robots will also be moderated by age. And we used these measurements because the study is was also conducted with my PhD supervisor, Ioana Podina, and we used measurements such as abbreviated technology anxiety, which is comprised of 11 items designed to assess the levels of technology-related anxiety. And a small example is I feel out of control using technology. And also we used measurements with a single item for video gaming frequency. Namely, how many hours do you spend on average per week playing video games, and also for the exposure to films featuring humanoid robots. How often have you had the opportunity to watch films or videos featuring humanoid robots such as Sophia? This is Sophia. It's a humanoid robot. So we tried to understand how reactions to these kinds of robots, humanoid robots, are influenced by variables, psychological variables such as anxiety toward technology. In this study, we analyzed data from a sample of students enrolled in psychology courses at the University of Bucharest. This in this page we can see participant demographics data, and above the statistical analysis, to examine our mediation and moderated mediation models, we employed the SPSS and process utilizing models 4 and 15. These are the intercorrelations between variables, and here we can see a negative correlation between age, a negative and significant correlation between age and gaming frequency. Also, negative correlations between anxiety toward technology and gaming frequency, and also with watching films with humanoid robots, and negative correlation between gaming frequency and age. We discovered that gaming significantly predicted anxiety toward technology, in the sense that we can see a negative relationship. Also, both gaming and anxiety significantly predicted watching films with humanoid robots. Video gaming was positively associated with watching films with humanoid robots, and anxiety was negatively associated with watching films with robots. Findings reveal that anxiety partially mediates the relationship between video gaming and watching films. Anxiety is negatively associated with these two variables. And when it comes to moderation, we discovered that at the age of 22, we can see that age is a moderator, in the sense that as gaming frequency increased, anxiety decreased, which in turn was associated with increased frequency of watching films with humanoid robots. Our analysis revealed that increased gaming or video gaming is linked to reduced anxiety, which in turn correlates with a heightened frequency of watching films with humanoid robots, notably at the age 22. Acknowledging how technology-related anxiety impacts our interaction may help deliver more suitable profile of the interaction, taking into consideration the personal characteristics of humans that want to interact with humanoid robots. As a limitation, a small fraction of participants had real-life experience with humanoid robots. So this is why we used a proxy measurement of the interaction with humanoid robots. But future studies should make it possible, in the sense that future studies should observe if these results are also significant in real-world settings with a real interaction with humanoid robots such as Sophia. Also, another limitation is the cross-sectional nature of this study, and future studies should be longitudinal or experimental. And as a conclusion, this study sheds light on the complex relationship between digital habits, psychological well-being, and consumer preferences. And this study also suggests integrating psychological insights into digital content creation. Thank you for your attention.
Vă mulțumim foarte frumos, prezentare foarte interesantă. Dacă dintre colegii care sunt cu noi au întrebări sau ar dori să discute legat de problematica prezentării, vă rog frumos să adresați aceste întrebări. Vă mulțumim frumos și mult succes mai departe.
Mulțumesc!
Vom continua